Hello everyone, I am Itsuki. Today, I would like to share my opinion on NED RIG, which has become a hot topic in Japan over the last few years. I still can't speak English well, but please watch the video to the end. I have been fishing with G-Man Finesse TRD and Plastic Z NED RIG for several years. The basic fishing method of NED RIG is the same in the United States and Japan. So I sit at the bottom and sometimes twitch. Absolutely, it works perfectly. However, in my opinion, it also works very well to keep twitching all the time. But what I'm saying isn't shaking the NED RIG. It says to twitch only the slack line with a rod tip. Because this rig has a hard bottom like pea gravel or sand. And if you twitch while the rig is standing up, it will roll action while standing. Twitch only the slack line, do not drag the rig as much as possible. Another method is swimming NED RIG. Slowly retrieve the NED RIG while twitching the rod tip to swim while rolling the water column. This works for lethargic suspended fish. The key to both methods is to use two-tone soft plastics. Another important thing, don't forget, please subscribe at the end of the video. Like the United States, NED RIG is deadly in Japan. In addition to the green pumpkin colors, try two-tone colors such as blue claw, green pumpkin orange, copper rose, and peanut butter and jelly. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please wait until the next update.